Hi guys, so today we are going to unbox PS5 Gran Turismo 7. So this is my first title for game title for my new PlayStation 5. So let's open this game. So first, before opening, let's see from where it is coming. Manufactured by Sony DADC Europe Limited from Austria. Okay. So it is being imported from Austria. Okay, let's see if this game is worth the review. In Amazon it has very good reviews, but I bought it from Flipkart for around how much? 1,500, I think 1,500 or 1,750. So let's see what's inside. I saw a lot of reviews which were good in Amazon, so I hope the game is good. It's good. At first I thought it's Colosseum, but it's Mercedes-Benz. Okay, it's a racetrack. I'm not sure which racetrack it is. Okay, we have unboxed this. Gran Turismo PS5. Okay. Everything is good here. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, see this. I hope it's not scratched. Okay, the CD is good. Nice. Is there anything else? Before using the PC setting menu for important help, and okay, it's all necessary for me. Okay, let's put this bad boy inside. Okay, let's ask him. Okay, let's insert this. Yes. I hope it likes. Come on. Yay! Okay. It's copying. Okay. Okay, let me play and then review it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next unboxing or review video. Bye bye.